Hi, Cecelia and
I'm Nathan.
we went through. Well, we got invited to this event, and I think for me it was very beneficial that we got to really explore things that maybe we knew about. We both are practice the psychology, so in our fields, and we have heard about many things, but the application was really good in this event or
In the workshop, in the fusion
workshop.
marriage workshop.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think for me, the having our vision of like who are we, what are we about, putting that on paper, having that explicit is things like we've been in conversation with, but like to have a few days dedicated to say this is who we are, these are the words, get feedback with other couples, and then kind of like cut it down to like this is who we are, and then not just leave it there, but and here are the feet of it. Here's how we put it into action based on evidence-based practices. So for us, for me, I think for us it was the combination of vision into action.
Right.
Yeah. Thank you.